Hang this one.
Press down.
You're good. You can take that.
Down.
Don't worry about it. Just hit the up. Just hit the floor you're going to, and it will go.
I hear something. Here it comes. I'm gonna record. Yes. All right.
Oh, look at the track. Oh, that's awesome.
This is epic.
Oh, look at this.
Look, custom button.
What?
Oh.
It should still
Wait.
go down first. Wow, that's cool. First round door.
That's awesome.
Is this traction?
Yep.
No, I don't think it is.
No.
This one doesn't feel traction.
Sounded like traction.
That was just the sound of it going down. I don't know, we'll find out when we go up. Door closed and this one does not work.
It's a door.
Oh, it has door disease. That's awesome. Actually. Oh, it is traction. Oh, nice motor sound too. First traction elevator with round doors. Oh boy, they're renovating.
Excuse me, what's the pull station doing?
Here, I want to hit the start up. That's cool. I love the track. I want to get a picture of that logo. These are definitely way older.
Want to take the other one?
You can stay on this one if you want. You want to stay on that one before it goes?
That's awesome.
Just got a picture of the custom button lit. Watch that one close. That's cool. I really would like to see what these look like originally. This one's here. Actually, it's stuck.
So this one's broken?
That one's broken, yeah, so we're gonna get this one.
It's lucky that this one's broken and not that one.
Ooh, this one has a gong chime rather than the usual. The other one had star chimes on them. I think it's here. Yep.
Excuse me.
You're welcome. Where you guys going? Or just you? Where are you going?
Where else would I be going? There is no down.
Well, which floor are you going to? One?
One.
That one's not right side up.
Yeah, where are you going from? You going to every floor?
We're riding the elevators. We just saw that round one that was like right across. That one's cool. There you go.
The doors are pretty good here. They don't usually try to kill you.
You have a good one.
You do.
That one has a different Otis door track compared to the round one. Jeez, this one's loud. Wait. Yeah, it works.
This one also has a custom button.
Yeah, they all do, I guess. On this set at least. Obviously, this one's less cool than the other one.
I find it interesting that they have a set of 3.
Like, they just have the 2 normal ones and they have the 1 round one.
It's very rare to find a round one because they don't use round
Especially from that age. I just heard the round one. There it goes, and I just... That's not so much. Okay, that's it.